Hey guys, my name is Dawnita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back and thank you for rocking with your girl. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews. I post every Monday at 4:30 and I do post videos sometimes on Thursdays at 4:30. But the videos on Thursdays, it could be a clothing haul, travel vlog, black love, or another wig review. But I definitely post wig reviews every Monday at 4:30 and Thursdays at 4:30 as well. So if you like what you see by the end of this video, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. We're gonna be right back. So today I am reviewing a Freetress Equal wig. It's been a while since I reviewed them. I've only been dropping some Outre units on my channel because they have been dropping some massive heat. But today I am doing a Freetress Equal video. It's from the Level Up HD Lace Front Wig collection. Take your lace game to the next level. It's a pre-plucked hairline and I got it in the style SYLVIE in the color FFCREAM. And this is what the card looks like. So it says it's a pre-plucked into perfection hairline, no additional plucking required, durable HD lace that blends in perfectly and ready to wear. So I did have to go in with my even lace tint and spray the lace. Even after that, I could still see the knots. So on camera, you couldn't tell, but in person, you can tell. So what I did was that I went in with my Juvia's Place palette in the dark brown along the hairline and I just darkened it up a little bit. I feel like these lace wigs blend in more when you're gluing them down, and I don't want to glue my wig down, okay? I just don't. Like, it's a synthetic wig. I don't got time for that. So what I did was, my little cheat code is that I make sure it's super tight on my head, you know, with the cap and the and with the combs and everything. But I will say I was like internally shocked when I got this unit because I could have sworn I ordered a 1B. I had my little flannel jacket on top of it and I was just looking and I was like, this, I don't know, it just to me, it didn't look right. So I will be wearing that flannel jacket again for another video, and I don't care. But yeah, I was like, dang, I thought I ordered a 1B. I was planning on taking my passport photo today. You know, just wanted to get things out the way because I need a new one. But I mean, it is what it is. I'll take it next time I have a 1B wig on. But yeah, so this unit has 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, adjustable straps back there as well. It is big hip friendly, I will say that. It's breathable. It's a breathable lace. And as far as shedding and tangling, there is a quite amount of shedding with this unit. I'm wondering if it's because of the, you know, curl pattern. And there is a and as far as tangling, there isn't any yet. But when it comes to curly units, I try not to comb it out because it just messes up the life of the unit. Some of you guys be in my comments, you know, some of y'all are a little rude. Oh, you should have combed it out. And then I have some people that are like, you know, I hate when people comb the units out. I don't like to comb my units out. When you comb your unit out, how long does it last? Keep it real. Drop a comment below and let me know, because if I comb this out, it's going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. And it's going to last me about 3 days. And then I have to put product in it. Who wants to put product in their synthetic wigs? It's synthetic. It doesn't last. So putting product in it, brushing it out, and just a bunch of manipulation, this wig's going to last me a week tops. And it's a waste of money. So, I don't know. Y'all let me know. Miss Know-It-Alls. But yeah, I do think that this curl pattern is cute. It's kind of giving me like old school Hollywood glam vibes. I'm just a little disappointed in myself because I really thought I picked the 1B color. I don't remember. So, and my first time taking it out the package was today. So it's cute. Would I wear this for every day? No. But, you know, I feel like maybe like a girl's night out or a happy hour with a friend or, you know, with your man. That's cool. But other than that, it's cute. It's a cute wig. And I do like the color. This is what it looks like up close in the curl pattern. It's so funny because my husband's natural hair complexion is this color right here. And I just pray that when we have kids that they have his hair color. I love me a redhead. I don't know what it is, but I just love the hair color. So this unit does range on websites from about $28 to $35. I do have the Google link in the description box. And every product that I use in this video is also in the description box, so make sure you guys check it out. But other than that, overall, I think it's a cute unit. Would I wear this every day? No. Do I think it's going to last long? No. There is a little bit of tangling right there. I don't think it's going to last too long, so this is like a special occasion wig. But other than that, those are my final thoughts. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you get reminders every time I post a video. It's free to support. And thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.